If you give me a dead motherfucker calling me James Lee without the collar that I need the reaper with the black hood on the set, young snug with the blood red slab, popping massive bodies hanging on the thread.
Рейтинг этой игры еще не определен.
$50,000 people used to live here. Now it's a ghost town.
Our so-called leaders prostituted us to the West, destroyed our culture, our economies, our honor.
U.S. Marines stationed on high alert were given the order to invade the small...
Nikolai! Foreman check. The crews are at Harry.
Just as they lay waste to our country, we shall lay waste to theirs.
You think this will stop the bloodshed?
Вы все равно скоро сдохнете.
We need to take him alive. Got eyes on target. Weapons free. Good kill, good kill.
To the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not into them. So this is like a full-blown attack. I'm automatic, cause I don't really think that the bad jobs for matters. A black and platinum status is whack if I'm not the matic. Light him up!
Doesn't take the most powerful nations on Earth to create the next global conflict. Just the will of a single man.
Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Product not yet rated.
A lie is a lie. Just because they write it down and call it history doesn't make it the truth. We live in a world where seeing is not believing. Where only a few know what really happened.
Ready when you are.
We live in a world where everything you know is wrong.
Pre-order now for Xbox 360.
You give us the fire, we'll give them hell.
Approaching the drop zone.
Let's tango!
Welcome to the party, somebody catch your body. Just a minute, they don't give a f about it. So start a riot, somebody start a riot.
Welcome to the party!
This day have set upon a mighty endeavor. Souls will be shaken with the violences of war. In this hour of great sacrifice, we shall prevail.
wall that separates the world from darkness. The enemy is ruthless. We cannot, we must not fail.
Duty first.
Hey, Perez! Won't be enough for you!
How many casualties?
We executed the mission.
Get me the fuck out of here! How many?
We had orders!
Get to cover!
Lieutenant, tell them what we're all about.
No mission too difficult. No sacrifice too great.
Welcome to the Bloody First. You're a long way from Texas, farm boy.
Pre-order now and get access to the private beta.
The needs of our planet were greater than she could supply. So we sent men beyond the reaches of our atmosphere. But the open space gave way to an insurgency.
We will eradicate the authority of the Earth.
The Settlement Defense Front built an army.
Our world is just beginning.
A war machine.
Theirs is dying.
One day they'll come.
It is not enough to break free.
Try to take our homeland.
We will break them!
Vengeance, this is Raven 6. We're on final approach. Roger 6, you're clear to land.
The Aegis guns. They appear to be tracking our fleet.
SDF destroyers inbound!
All stations, shots fired!
Pull up! Pull up!
Captain's dead.
Went down with his ship.
So who has the con, Gator?
I believe you do, sir.
Today's attack was not limited to Geneva. SetDef launched a concurrent strike on the Moon Gateway port. Tigers and Retribution are the only operable ships we have. Lieutenant Reyes, you are now the acting captain of Retribution.
Salt, you with me?
Always.
Ground assault. Captain's place is on the bridge.
Not this captain. Not today.
Good to go.
Let's get these bastards.
This place isn't yours anymore. Kill them. Save the bullet.
Reyes, hang on!
Let's go give him hell.
Hey, should be a blast.
Turn the ship around!
The pilot of this ship, it's my job to make sure that we get back.
I gave you a direct order!
If you don't make that kind of choice, you have no place being in command.
Alpha 2's down!
It's time to raise the black flag and start cutting throats.
You lack what it takes to win this war.
Pre-order now and get access to the multiplayer beta.